कोई है? तो इस टेम्पररी इंजेक्शन के जरिए, टेम्पररी जो रिलीफ के जरिए जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट हमारे बात को सुनवाई की है, मैं इसके लिए यहाँ पे इकट्ठा तमाम मुसलमानों की तरफ से सुप्रीम कोर्ट का तहे दिल से शुक्रगुजार हूं। अब मैं वक्त ना लेते हुए जो हमारा मेमोरेंडम है सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट को, वो अभी मैं पेश करने जा रहा हूं। उससे पहले कि मैं तालुका एग्जीक्यूटिव मैजिस्ट्रेट हमारे तहसीलदार मैडम यहां पे हैं, मैं उनको पेश करने से पहले यह पढ़ना जरूरी समझता हूं। तो द ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया, पार्लियामेंट भवन न्यू दिल्ली, थ्रू तहसीलदार एंड तालुका एग्जीक्यूटिव मैजिस्ट्रेट हानगल, सब्जेक्ट मेमोरेंडम अगेंस्ट द वर्क अमेंडमेंट एक्ट, request for reconsideration and withdrawal. Respected sir, we the members of Muslim community Akyalur humbly submit this memorandum on behalf of our organizations and the wider Muslim community to express our deep concern and strong objection to the recent amendments introduced under the Work Amendment Act. Key objections. Number 1, lack of community consultation. The amendments were passed without adequate consultation with stakeholders, scholars or community leaders who are directly involved with the management and religious obligations of work properties. Number 2, erosion of community autonomy. The amendments grant disproportionate powers to the work boards and government appointed authorities, thereby weakening the role of local managing committees, mutawallis and traditional custodians of work assets. Number 3, vulnerability to encroachment and misuse. Provisions that allow government acquisition or interference work properties risk enabling encroachment, commercial misuse and loss of religious character and heritage of such assets. Number 4, violation of religious freedom. Work properties are governed by Islamic jurisprudence and have been established for specific religious, charitable and educational purposes. Any overact by state mechanism undermines the constitutional right to religious freedom under Article 25 and 26 of the Indian Constitution. Right. Number 5, lack of transparency and accountability in work boards. Instead of empowering local communities, the amendment strengthens centralized control without mechanism to ensure transparency, accountability or timely redressal of governance from the community. Our demands immediate repeal or rollback of the contentious provisions in the Work Amendment Act. Number 2, formation of an expert committee with representation from Islamic scholars, community organizations and legal experts to review the work laws. Number 3, ensure any future amendments are passed only after open consultation and consent from community representatives. Number 4, strengthen mechanism to protect work lands from encroachment and ensure their usage remains in accordance with their original religious and charitable intent. With reiterate that work is sacred trust and must not be subjected to political or commercial manipulation, we appeal to the Government of India to respect the sentiments and constitutional rights of the Muslim community by revoking the current amendment and initiating a consultative concerns. We trust that your esteemed office will give this matter the attention it deserves and act in interest of justice and communal harmony. With sincere regards, Muslim community Akyalur. Thank you.